Have you ever gotten tired of not being able to afford any skins? Let me introduce you to Snowy Market. We have over 2,000 people in the community. After you check out the server, head over to the Cookie Dough Village. There's over 100 items you can pick from and receive instantly. After that, go over to the generator. Now look for the search bar and type what I type. In a few seconds, you will receive all the account information. After that, you can enjoy an account with skins and get wins in style.